How to create a business plan checklist on Microsoft Excel. Hello guys, so first thing you have to do, go to Excel. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to the top and search for list. Now after you search for a list, go down until you find the one that you want. For example, here is it right here. Business plan checklist. If you didn't find it like me, all what you have to do is go to the top and search for business plan checklist and click enter, and here is it right here. Click on it and click create. Now right here you can add the activity and the owner and the completion date. After you finish, click save easily. Don't forget to like and subscribe.